constantly get asked how I do my big old puff bun. So without further ado, we about to jump into this video. I'm about to show y'all how I do my puff. And don't mind my hair because I just got out the shower. So this is what it look like when it's wet, obviously. But I'm about to show y'all how I get my puff to be exactly what it is. Okay, cool. Okay, so the first thing I do is let my hair towel dry first. It towel dry for like, I say like 5 minutes, maybe. And I let it air dry for like 3. It depends on how defined I want my curls to be that day. So then, after I towel dry it for that little piece of time, I take my Shea Moisture coconut oil spray and I spray my hair. So it's supposed to look like this. I only use these 2 products in it though. The Shea Moisture coconut oil, Eco Gel. That's it. All I need is a brush and an edge brush, and this bun gonna be fire. Watch. Okay, so first thing I do is I take my brush. This is a regular old brush. I had this brush for maybe like 15 years, but that's beside the point. So I just, take a regular brush that bad boy up. This video mad self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna keep talking. Y'all just have to just watch and figure it out. Okay, cool. Key to it, so your bun gonna look like this, right? Cool, that's good. What you do is you pull it, and when you pull it, you gotta make sure that you shape it. Like if you're not shaping it, it's not gonna come out as fire as it should. So you pull the sides, you pull the front, pull the top. You make sure that you pull me, bring this a little bit closer so y'all can see. Make sure that you pulling this. So that's like way bigger than what it's supposed to be, right? But as you pulling, you shaping it so it don't look like, so basically that it still look like it's just a regular puff and it's not, you just pulling your bun out. You feel me? The big secret is to make your bun, like your ponytail look like a bun, really, because that's really all it is. And as you shaping it, you just, pull and shape, fluff that around. You go cup your hands like that and fluff it around that way. But then, I like to have my little side pieces out. So I pull my sideburns out. Usually they curl up by themselves, but if not, I gotta get more water. So I'm gonna grab water. So I put water on my fingers and I finger coil them like that. See that? Pop back in. Finger coil it, wrap it on your finger. Boom, you feel me? Keep fluffing. And shit, that's all you gotta do is keep fluffing. Wow, would you look at this? But your buns be looking stupid if your edge is not laid, so I got a regular edge brush. Don't mind this, ain't mad dirty, but it don't matter because it's mine. Nobody else use it. I take my Eco Gel. Just like this be enough, honestly. And then you put this on here, here and here. And then you swoop. But when you swooping, make sure you swooping your edges up in the thing. Let me get y'all them YouTube groove. The vibes. Period. That's just how I do it, you know, real nice, easy, and simple, because I can't really do hair for nothing, but it's alright, it's good, it's whatever. Put these bifocals on. And since y'all didn't watch this, y'all might as well subscribe. You're supposed to subscribe anyway, but you know, whatever. But see, that's how I do the buns, you feel me? So I make them buns look nice, you feel me? You know, cool, I be cool, you know. Recipe, Pop Smoke, ooh. She like to whip it up, yeah. I just stop moving. No, y'all, I'm crippled, but that's beyond the point. We almost at 600 subscribers, which means we almost at 1,000. Well, yep. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next, because I got a whole bunch of hair videos coming for y'all. You feel me? If y'all haven't watched that Smack or Facts challenge, that's gonna be put in the description box below, or it's gonna definitely be put in the end of this video. Make sure y'all clicking that. And whatever come up for y'all, I think I'm gonna add in, you know, the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Run all that up. Run my sneaker video up. Run all them hair videos up. Run it up, because when I hit 1K, y'all, I'm doing a giveaway, and I mean it. I mean it. But all I need is y'all to help me get to 1K. All you gotta do is subscribe. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Subscribe to the channel, and then boom, we gonna get you there. Period.